Hey y'all, in today's YouTube video we're going to be going over the exhaust setup that I have on my 2018 Chevy Silverado. Just going to go over the exhaust setup before I actually get down there and show y'all what exactly I have done to it. So it's a true dual catback exhaust. The only two things that's left in the exhaust is the first two factory cats. The third cat is cut out. There's no muffler, there's no resonator. And then it comes out on each side, and I'll show you this, to 5-inch tips coming out at like a 45-degree angle. This exhaust setup in particular is fairly loud due to the fact that the only two things that's left in the entire exhaust that reduces noise is the first two cats. It's not as loud as straight pipe, obviously, because the first two cats definitely absorb a lot of the noise that's coming out of the exhaust. But anyway, enough rambling, let's go ahead and show y'all what's going on up under the truck. Alright, now that we're under the truck, as you can see, the only two things that's left is the first two cats. As you can see, there's one over there and there's one right here. Here is where the third cat was. Got that cut out. Two pipes go all the way back there. There's no muffler or resonator back there. And then they both come out to 5-inch tips, coming out at a 45-degree angle behind the tire. One thing that you're definitely going to need if you're planning on doing a exhaust on your truck, you're going to need one of these for these newer trucks. Say Range Technology AFM disabler. It pretty much disables the V4 mode that's in these new trucks and keeps your truck a V8. This is pretty essential, otherwise your truck, whenever it switches from V8 to V4 mode, it's going to kind of sound like a low flying helicopter. It's going to be real choppy, and it's just it really doesn't sound good. So you're definitely going to need to get one of these, or get some type of tuner if you're into that, to disable the V4 mode that's in these newer trucks. I think this product was only like $199, so it's well worth it. It definitely enhances the sound. It really, this is probably the most crucial thing that you could get if you're planning on getting a aftermarket exhaust or a custom exhaust set up on your truck. So yeah, just thought I'd mention this before we got along to the rest of the video. All right, now that I showed y'all everything I got done to the exhaust and went over everything, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some clips that we took earlier today of us doing like full acceleration, normal, daily driving takeoffs and stuff like that, the truck idling, and how loud it is whenever you rev it. So we're gonna go ahead and add those in for y'all and let y'all hear the truck. after watching those clips, I'm sure y'all got a good idea of exactly how this exhaust setup sounds on this truck. If y'all like watching this video, be sure to leave a like. I've got a lot more content planned for this truck, so be sure to subscribe. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video.